great jams. Anyways, Moo Moo Meadows aside, welcome. Welcome back to another stream of mine. Gonna be making a Faceling. This goofy little boy right here. Well, it's really a girl, but can't really tell because of the hair. I tried recreating an image of a Faceling on the Backrooms wiki, and it just ended up looking like a dude that has a mullet. Anyways, but so yeah, I have two models for the Faceling. The male and female. And for the child Faceling, I have where is it? What the freak? Where is it? There it is. I have this. So yeah. For now, I'm just gonna be making the not child facing. Hey, Blue Sleek. For now, I'm just gonna be making the adult Facelings, because the adult Facelings are friendly. They're supposed to help. They're supposed to help wanderers either escape. Oh, why did my camera just? Why did the stream just blink like that? That was weird. Friendly entity. It looks like a generic player character, like the player editor in Fallout 3 would create. Anyhow, what did I miss since I was last here? Not much. Yeah, the stream farted a little bit. BP... Adult Faceling. Adult Faceling. NPC. Blueprints. Bink. So yeah, this is what I should probably move these into a meshes folder. Move. Add a gun to the game so I can kill it. No, I'm not. No, I'm not doing that. Guns don't exist in the Backrooms, or at least I don't think they do. Excuse me, I was drinking some gamer juice. There we go. I think I'm gonna have to reopen the project. It just really didn't like the fact that... Oh, whoops. It just really didn't like the fact that I deleted a folder. Oh, hello, Blaz has cats. Hello, welcome to the stream. You never know, someone will make guns canon. I mean, if anything can no-clip into the Backrooms, that would technically mean that guns can be found. So actually, that would be such a funny April Fool's update. Like, that'd be such a funny thing, where like I basically say, "Hey, the first full version of your Backrooms has been released," and then you go to download it, and it's literally just the demo, but you have a gun. It's like that meme where it's like, you know, the Backrooms would be a lot easier to survive in if you just had a gun. I accidentally spilt orange juice on my computer, now it's laggy. Rip in chat for Kepler's computer. It's Resident Evil Backrooms edition. Add fixed camera angles and fixed camera angles included. That would be really. Huh. So, genuine question. How do you think fixed camera angles would fit in this environment? Because the whole thing with like the fixed camera angles. Yes, it sucks. Yes, it's not very fun to play with, but that's kind of the point. When it's in a horror scenario, when it's in a horror game, because you can't just do something like turn the camera to look around a corner that you don't want to look and actually go in and go like around. You are forced to look in that fixed angle. And so whatever is outside of that view, you have to actually move out of that area in order to see. It would be cool as a bonus unlock. Yeah, it would be pretty cool. My computer's just lagging. I need to make a PS1 style game on Roblox. R.I.P. Yeah, it would be cool as a bonus unlock. Just imagine like you do something very specific, or like I create some like Resident Evil inspired like sub level, and once you complete it, you unlock the fixed cameras. You unlock the fixed camera mode, and when you turn that on, it creates that Resident Evil fixed camera angles effect. Or an April Fool's joke. That would be funny. Two extra versions of the demo are released on April Fools. One is just the demo, but you have a gun, and the other one is the demo you have a gun, and it's Resident Evil. Actually, I'll just combine the two. It literally is just Resident Evil Simulator. The April Fool's demo is literally just Resident Evil Backrooms edition. Friggin' bonked one of my two front teeth with the cup. Ah. Wait, do I not already have? Do I really not? I was so fixated on making the adult facing blueprint, and I never realized that I literally already have one right here. Yep, I even have it randomize the mesh every time it's created. It's like moved, rather. Fixed camera, use the Backrooms CCTV cameras in this ludicrous and difficulty. Have fun. Now, where the freak did I... Where did I put... Where is this even at? Bro, seriously? I'm gonna get... Oh my gosh. I really put that in the meshes. Friggin' oh my gosh. Blueprints. I put that in the meshes folder. Okay. Adult Faceling. I'm playing through Portal 2 again. Nice, good for you. Is there any way to fix the orange juice problem? Well, for one thing, you gotta... I mean... No other way I can think of other than just shut down your computer, unplug it, do all of that, and just get a computer safe cleaning solution and just clean the insides of your computer. Not too much, of course, because you don't want to risk scratching up scratching up the internals of the computer. Just turn it on and off. Yeah, thanks, Cronator. Yeah, that definitely is gonna work in Kepler's scenario. So, AI perception sight. On target perception. So basically, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna have the the adult faceling kind of just wander around the place until it sees the player, and once they see the player, it's basically going to be fixated on helping on helping the player escape. When is what do you like from this? I will show gameplay of the PS1 game, but that's not funny unless it's like laughably bad, which I doubt you'd intentionally put effort into a game being laughably bad. I poured my coffee on my RGB keyboard and broke it. Now I'm using a Dell keyboard. R.I.P. Rip Bozo. Sorry, that was kind of toxic. What? I'm gonna have to check. Why does that... What? Why is this not... What? Interesting. Okay, I guess I'll just have to change it to an actor. He runs over and says, about that beer I owed you, it's me, Gordon Barney from What? The frick? It just sound... Not even gonna question it. It's just your average, it's just the average stream at this point. Oh! Gosh, I forgot to tell y'all. Obviously the most important thing about this game is going to be the Mario Maker aspect, where you'll be able to download mods, essentially, that the game will basically load in custom levels that you've installed from mod.io. I finally got the plugin to work on my on the project. For some reason, I don't know how this turned out to be the case, but for some reason, the engine was basically treating the plugin as if it wasn't even enabled. So like whenever I try to use a node from that plugin, whenever I'd close and reopen the project, it would just say that node is invalid or whatever, and I can't use it. And yeah, that was the entire and so all I had to do was just uninstall and reinstall the Unreal 4.27, and I got it working again. So I got it working again. So I can actually start creating the systems in place for custom levels, entities, and whatnot. So yeah, that's gonna be a lot of fun to make. Behavior. Artificial intelligence, Blackboard, adult, Faceling, BB. I'm not like other YouTubers. I let my subscribers choose if they want to like and subscribe.
You better like and subscribe. You better like and subscribe. Like the stream. Like my videos. Subscribe to me if you like my content, or I will come to your house. I know where you live. You get me? I said you get me?
Great. There you go, man. There you go, man. MailyTube and Kepler. There you go, Kepler. You can. I gave you more fuel for your. Oh, and GTN, if you're watching, if you're ever gonna end up watching this, I gave you more fuel for your Owen Compost out of context video that you talked about making. Oh, right. Frick, I forgot to... Sup, Omega? How are you doing? How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Controller. I swear, for an April Fool's update, just add in the no updated localization files. Is bread added? He better be added. He will find... I'm not going to reveal... I'm not going to stream myself making the bread or the Sugus entities. Because I'm planning on making them Easter eggs. And they're not going to be very, very secret Easter eggs. If I'm just going to show you exactly how I'm implementing them so you can figure out exactly how to trigger them. I'm working on the adult Faceling NPC in my Backrooms game, Omega. Because since adult Facelings in the Backrooms are friendly, they're going to be friendly NPCs in my game. Freaking... Great, now I gotta figure out how to make a... Wait a minute, what type of... run behavior tree. Behavior tree object reference. Behavior tree object. UE4 C++. What will be funny to build in Roblox Studio? I don't know. Whatever you think is funny, I guess? No, Lofi won't be included due to copyright violations about bread. Ah, yes, the bread copyright violation, the Bread Copyright Act of 2022. Cause of origin of a bill proposal. Indie game developer Owen Campos created a bread enemy in his Backrooms game. Frickin'. It is a behavior tree. What? What the? Why can't I select a behavior tree? Hold on. Run a behavior tree. What kind of... So this is a behavior tree object reference. Maybe try T sub object subclass wait, T asset subclass of U behavior tree. Tree to run. Wait, I gotta. There we go. T asset subclass of. There we go. Let's see if this actually works. Was that the bread of 87? Ah, delicious guacamole gamer fart 9000 from the Russian Badger on gamersubs.gg. Vine boom. Was that the bread of 87? Purple guy! I'm just gonna just recite every like famous Five Nights at Freddy's quote from Markiplier. Okay, it failed to cast no matching overloaded function. CPP. Oh. There we go. Poo poo guy. Poo poo guy. Oh, I forgot. I totally forgot to re-add the events list here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Wait, what the frick? Yeah. Cannot convert our argument to one soft cross. What? I guess I'm just gonna have to use freaking just T subclass of Sukas. Again, I'm not gonna show any sort of development on Sugas or bread on stream because they're supposed to be Easter egg entities. They're supposed to be like those really super secret like Easter eggs in like RPG Maker horror games with some of those like classic RPG Maker horror games. Cannot convert. What? Cast U behavior tree. Cannot convert argument 1 from 2. Hello, Lex. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the madness that is this stream. It's Lofi. I named it. I named it after a bread pun. That's his name since I created him. Yes, you hold the copyright to Lofi. I'll have to come to you and ask you Cronator for permission for me to use Lofi. No matching overloaded function found. What? That doesn't make any sense. What? Object. Behavior tree object. I need to know where's C++ documentation? Gosh, I freaking hate Unreal Engine C++ documentation. It's like barely existent. It's literally barely existent. Okay, you know what? Unreal Wiki. Unreal... Nope, not that one. Unreal Community.wiki. This one. Behavior tree. C++. Behavior tree. Blueprint. C++ glossary. Oh, wait. View more results. There we go. Do you use 720p because your PC can't handle 1080p 60 FPS stream, or just because there's still people who can't run 1080p in general? Wait. Is the stream not output for 1080? Is it really not? Like I mean, that probably can just be the stream itself and YouTube and all that. It's 720. Did you just realize that? No, it's not that I just it's not that I just realized it. I genuinely thought I set it to be 1080. Hold on. Hold the frick up. Base canvas resolution output scale. That's the one. Okay, no. Okay. Hold on. Let me look at something really quick. Because I really need to see this. Go to YouTube. Go to my channel. And let me go to a stream of mine. Yeah, but okay. So the only reason why it's 720 right now is because I set it to scale it down to 720 if basically it has two versions that it's streaming. One is the 720 version. The other is the 1080 version. The 1080 version is what gets saved as a VOD on YouTube. So because check any of my previous streams. In fact, check my most recent stream, and you'll see that it's in 1080 60 FPS. And that's because it's YouTube's. That's because 1080 is the non-scaled version of the VOD. So that's the one that YouTube saves. But the one that's being streamed right now, currently, is the 720 version, just to like save up on resources. So yeah, that was a little explanation on on output scaling for streams. What the 1080p is banned from Owen's stream. Doors, but infinite. Jeez, freaking choked on my own spit. That was never fun. Anyways, let's continue looking through this this thing. Yep, what I'm currently doing. Customize path following every tag. I'm gonna keep this open in another tab. You know, just in case I want to follow this for my own custom path making for hidden spirits. Me when I realized that I can set the C frame of an object to a duplicate object. What? What the frick? Timeline in C++. Oh my gosh, the time... Hold on. Let's just take a look at this. Timeline in C++. This example gives an idea about how to use timelines in C++. I'm gonna stop you right there, Unreal Community Wiki. What? Because why? Why would you not just use the regular blueprint version of the timelines? The timelines were specifically... I'm pretty sure the timelines were specifically made so that you have a visual way of knowing where the... what is going on in the timeline. You literally take away like 90% of the appeal of the timeline using C++. So it's just why would you use C++? You would literally I would argue you would only use the C++ version of timelines just to flex. Just to like flex to like lower level Unreal developers and say
I use the C++. I coded my timelines in C++.
HTTP requests. Gosh, I can't. Gosh, behavior tree C++ documentation is so non-existent that even the community ran wiki doesn't have anything on it. Nerd emoji, nerd emoji. Retrieve behavior tree. Okay, so you need to specify a behavior tree without making an AI control. You have two options: hard code the path, set somewhere else. Okay. Guess I'll just have to do that. Copy file path. So, yeah, I guess I'm just gonna have to friggin' do that. Static... Is it static load object? Static load object, yes. Load object... View behavior tree. Static class. Okay. Static class. Was it null? Did he use null? Yeah, they used null pointer. Null pointer. And teacher. Okay. Oh, it's just a string. F string. Okay, that would actually just be in game. I see. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Makes sense. So let's see if that worked. Wait, what? Hi, oh, hi, exclam, oh, it's a bot. Well, thank you, mods, for, getting that bot out of here. If one made I get mad, I add your ideas, he'd already lose. What do you mean? What do you mean? Are you saying I get triggered easily? Because honestly, that's not even true. I don't really get triggered that easily, most of the time at least. My guy got 190 views on his last stream because it included Hello Neighbor in it. Yep. That is what at least half of my subscribers subscribe to me for. I don't even know, like... I've been wanting to make a video about this topic for a while, but like I've noticed that my streams have starting to like decline in view. My streams view count started to decline, and I'm not really sure why, because it's the same stuff I've always been doing, and it just got really popular, and then it just dipped just within like 2 days, and I have no idea why. And I want to make a video not only addressing that, but basically saying, what kind of content do you guys want me to make? Like, what did you subscribe to me for? Like, what do you want to see me make? Basically, that sort of thing. I wonder how people make Peppa Pig scary on Roblox. You just answered your own question. It's Roblox. Children get scared by anything. And like, not only did I want to... okay, anyway, actually, I forgot to elaborate even further. I not only wanted to say that, but basically, like... I know the Hello Neighbor tutorials are what get the most views on my channel, but I don't really like making it. I don't really like making those. And it's not that, like... It's not that I don't enjoy making them. They're really... It's not like the process is difficult or time-consuming or whatever, or like not fun. It is literally some of the easiest stuff that I can make. I literally just record myself making something and explaining throughout, which I can do at least decently. And getting the video, cutting out the downtime, and add an outro. That's it. Tutorial finished. Upload the video. It's not like that. It's not like it's hard for me to make those types of videos. It's just that I don't like the fact that they're so low effort. Like I don't like how low effort they are, if that makes sense. I just don't like that they're so low effort. I don't like that the videos that I put the least effort in are the ones that get the most views. So that's just a thing that I wanted to. That's just another thing I wanted to address in the video, because I want to please you, the viewers, while also enjoying what I'm making. I want to make the games that you guys want me to make, and I want to have fun doing it. I want to make the videos and streams that you guys make, that you guys enjoy, and I want to have fun doing it. Because let's be real, what's the point in making anything what's the point in making anything? What's the point in making it if you aren't gonna enjoy making it? Dynamic Pixels trying their hardest to make a good Hell in Every Game. Owen Campos, bro, this is easy. What are you talking about? I think you forget millennials only have a 6-second attention span that went on to Gen Z, and I'm 100% sure a lot of people who sub to you are born in Gen Z, which is okay. So in that case, I should also make shorts. I should also make a couple shorts here and there, because number one, they're dummy easy to make. They're super, super dummy easy to make, and I can also have fun making them. I can also have fun making them because I can put in like make all the jokes I want in normal videos and stuff like that, and it'll also reach that Gen Z audience that have low attention spans and are scrolling through TikTok constantly. My friend got 1,000 views for putting #shorts on shorts. You should make mini tutorials on shorts on how to do things in Unreal Engine. That is actually a good idea. That is actually a pretty good idea. I just make tiny little tutorials on something like, I don't know how to. Oh, this effect, the PS1 effect. Actually, better example. This PS1 effect. How you see how there's dithering on the meshes, and how the edges are pixelated. It's all made possible because I followed one very simple tutorial, and it was, if I could find it here. Right here. This little function right here. This little custom material function right here. These are all of the nodes that don't pay attention to that. That's not very, don't pay any attention to that. That doesn't really match up with the I forgot what I was going to say, but that's not an accurate representation of what's actually going on. So basically, I just followed one little tutorial on this very simple little material function, and all I had to do to get this post-processing effect was I just made a post-processing shader, put in the scene texture node here, which just takes the view and it literally just takes the camera view. That's literally all it does. And plugged in that material function, and that's the effect you get. That's literally all you have to do. So I could easily make a very short little I could easily make a very short little tutorial explaining how to do this, because this is very, very simple to recreate. How are you today? How long does it take to make a good game like a Backrooms game? I was just wondering if you could answer, maybe. Creeps Bear Video Ventures trademarked. Trademark, by the way. Honestly, it takes a long while. It takes a while to get to even like a demo state. Like this, I've been doing this for, let's see, let's just go ahead and go to... Let's just go ahead and go to my channel really quick. How long have I been going at this for? 2 months. 4 months. I have been making this game for 4 months now. And 2 of those 4 months was literally just figuring out room generation. Like procedural generation in games is very complicated. Like, sure, the concept itself, like the basic rundown, doesn't sound that difficult, but the problems that you run into along the way do make it complicated. And so, but even still, 2 months is a long while. 2 months, even after creating like the basic functions of procedural generation, 2 months, that's an extra 2 months of development. That's still a long time. So you need to have 1, dedication, 2, passion, and 3, time. In order to make a good, in order to make something that you would be satisfied with. Man is gonna become Brackies for Unreal Engine. What does that even mean? I don't know who that is. I'll remember PS1 style wins /J. Unironically, that actually sounds... That sounds kind of fun to make, actually. Imagine... Imagine Hidden Spirits has these, like, little, like, Juniors style, like, little, like... Juniors Five Nights at Freddy's style mini games that are like in Juniors, they're in the PS1 style. That would actually be a lot of fun to make. I think I might actually implement that. That sounds really fun. Add a secret PS1 style to Hello Neighbor. Yeah, that's what I was. Yeah, that's basically what I just said. Owen's channel should become the metaverse, so Jeff Bezos invests all his NFT money into it. Yes, Jeff Bezos, give me money. Please, give me money. I will make the Backrooms in the... It's not even Jeff Bezos, it's frickin'... It's Elon... not Elon Musk, it's frickin'... Mark Zuckerberg. The Zuck man. Mr. Zuckerberg. Sponsor me so I can create the Backrooms in the metaverse. Then you'll have something that will be actually be appealing to people. Like, you want to appeal to Gen Z? Backrooms metaverse. Backrooms in the metaverse. There. Instant money. Instant money. I tried learning how to do procedural generation room a couple days ago. All I got were rooms stacking on top of each other. Well, that's a start. You gotta start somewhere. C++ and CS have no connection. He wouldn't need to watch Brackies at all. Ah, Unity tutorial was a Unity tutorial person. Yeah, I see. Yeah. Imagine not knowing Brackies. Well, excuse me. I don't work with Unity. I don't have a reason to know who they are. Owen has 1.2k subs, but 6 people watch the streams. Yeah, that's just, yeah, they just want the tutorials, man. Nobody wants to watch the streams. This is, honestly, that's just why I keep streaming and like uploading devlog videos, because I just hope that that eventually at some point more people are gonna start flooding in. Recently, I restarted development on a neighbor simulator I was making a few months back. That's nice. Hello, Dr. O'Plays. Just curious, do you know what the rake is, as in the Roblox game, or just the character in general? Because the Roblox game I do know of, I've actually played it once before. Are you kidding me? Cannot convert argument from F string to a constant T char. What? Oh. F string. What? Oh. Dot to string. Let's try compiling that. If it wasn't for the tutorials, you probably wouldn't have gotten the sub count you currently have. Yeah, that's true. That is true. And while I am thankful for that, I want to branch out, you know? I don't just want to be a tutorial person, because that's not the type of content I really want to primarily be doing. The real game that's on Steam. What? There's a rake game on Steam? What? I found him through his pre-alpha remake. Then you're an OG. Like, that, like literally watched the first video I ever uploaded on this channel type of OG. Respect, Lex. You're an OG. I'd love to see more Danny style tutorials. The problem with that being that, like, that takes longer to make, and I don't want to put like, say, my needlessly hard game video and my first stream highlights video. I put a crap load of effort into those videos, but the tutorials I don't want to make as much, so I don't want to put the same amount of effort into something that I'm not very passionate about, because it just feels like a chore at that point, and I don't want to not enjoy it, you know? I liked that needlessly hard game video. It was good. Thank you. I'm thankful that some people appreciate it. YouTube definitely doesn't. So did this, no, it didn't frickin', wait. No, string is not a member of F string. Does not take two argument. What? What? This doesn't make any sense. Oh my gosh. I really am gonna have to friggin' make my own F-string variable. Behavior tree path to put behavior tree path dot to string. Hello, Rohan. How are you doing? Boy, I sure do love having my question completely ignored. Wait, what? What do you mean question? Should I make a blender to... Oh, that one. Honestly, go for it. If you want to do it, just do it. I mean, nobody's stopping you. C418 was a beginner when he made the original Minecraft soundtrack. The dude was ahead of his time. I wish I was making bangers when I was just starting out. This must be an outdated form. Dang. Teacher. Let's try that. You want a tchar type input function, a little behavior, a little freaking static load object function, then you're gonna get it. The frick? I really hope none of you heard that sound that my voice box, my vocal cords just made, because it was involuntary and I didn't even mean to do it. Tchar use of class template requires template argument list. What? Huh. Tchar path. Or maybe I'm just not using it. Maybe I'm not using the text macro like you usually have to do for text in Unreal Engine. Guys, his Internet Explorer is sugas.internetprovider/sus. Incredible. Hurry up. Come on. Hurry up. Are you gonna hurry up? Please hurry up and compile. I don't want to stay here all day. Ah! Use of class requires template argument. What the frick does that mean, though? Hold on. Tchar UE4 C++. Sure, Unreal Engine 5 documentation. Sure, why not? Don't care. Actually, gonna switch to 4.27. Tchar base. Tchar set of utility functions operating on a single character. What? Oh. Oh. I see. The name. What? What? Oh, I see. It would be, that adult faceling underscore BT, and then what the file name would be adult faceling behavior tree behavior adult facing bt.uasset. Load flags. Okay. Let's try that. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna give up and just... If this doesn't work, I'm giving up and... Oh my gosh. Syntax error missing. Oh. Let's try one more. I'm gonna read chat. I just imagine Sukas being 100 Sukases chasing you. You better add dollars. I've seen no Backrooms game with them. Ooh, nice! It finally compiled! Hooray! I totally forgot what dollars are. Let me just look at them. Dollars are strange creatures generally found in the lower levels of the Backrooms. They appear dark, gray, and humanoid, but they lack several permanent features such as a face or ears. It is not fully understood how dollars kill their prey, as they usually run away from threats. They usually run away from anything that gets close, but be aware that these entities do seem to be hostile. The entity hunts by being in a hall and having a victim in a hall on the other side of a wall. The dollar will then no-clip its arm through the wall, capturing the prey on the other side. It's literally the meme. Hold on. Pulls guy through wall meme. It's literally this meme. Dollars are literally just this. Hold on. It's literally just this meme. Dollars are literally. Dollars are literally just that meme. Also, it's doing the thing again where it's not letting me see the menu. Close and reopen it. Why would he, wait, dude, don't use the wiki, use the what? Why would I not use the wiki? The wiki is is the wiki not the, like, is the wiki not, okay. Is the Backrooms wiki .canon? Which wiki is canon and or up to date? I consider Wikidot as canon. Haven't read anything from the liminal archives yet. They are all separately canon in their own degree. There isn't any official wiki. Just go with whichever pages you like more. In addition, each covers its own niche. Okay. I feel like most people consider the wiki to be quote-unquote canon, so that's why I'm using the wiki. This is the one time I gotta say the fandom is better. Okay. Backrooms dollars. Let me look. Fandom wiki. Okay, yeah. The fandom wiki is much more expanded, but in my opinion, most of the time it expands too much, and it really takes away the emptiness that the Backrooms are supposed to have. And, like, everything is just explained, even though it's supposed to be this mysterious dimension of the in-between world, like, in-between dimensions, and it's supposed to be this mysterious and unknown, in a completely untapped environment. But at least in what I've seen from the wiki, everything is just explained, and I think that really takes away from the horror of it. But they provide images. True, they provide images, and honestly, I think that's really the only that's really the only, like, true value that the fandom page holds. If I remember correctly, level 0 of the Backrooms, there has not been any documented people meeting each other. Yeah, there is. Yeah, that's the scary thing about level 0. You will genuinely never ever meet another person in that level. You will genuinely never meet another person in level 0, which I think is just absolutely terrifying to think of. Turn on live chat. What? It is. Live chat is on. Yeah, it's right there. This could mean that the Backrooms isn't infinite, but procedurally generated. So when in hunting mode, you would enter into different level 0s. I guess, yeah. There were no mentions of levels back then. I guess that would actually make sense. So, darkly contrasted humanized featuring long arms with skin similar in texture and appearance to tar. Descriptions of the physical appearance of Dollar. So basically, the fandom wiki, I think, is both a blessing and a curse for the Backrooms, because it's very helpful for people like me who are trying to create content based on the Backrooms. And it gives detailed descriptions on the entities and levels. Which gives me a lot of material to work off of. So, ooh, Wario's Gold Rush. I like this song. The fandom gives you images you can copy and paste into Blender. Yes, true. If you go near it, the Dollar will form an arm out of the puddle. Quickly wrap it around you and pull you into the puddle. Those who have went into the puddle were never seen. Oh. A Dollar is literally just an ink monster from Bendy and the Ink Machine. It's literally just an ink monster from Bendy and the Ink Machine. It's literally just ripped straight from Bendy and the Ink Machine. It's made out of black tar, and it can melt, quote unquote. Like, look at this. The substance the skin is composed of is in a constant state of toggling from a liquid to a solid, making it slowly drip down. Dolars can melt and reform their bodies, usually as a trap to catch prey. It could range from them being more liquid than normal to being a gray puddle. Literally just, like, beat for beat, just a Bendy and the Ink Machine monster. Not gonna lie, if Kane Pixels does level fun, I would think the party goers would look like goop. Nah, it's made out of Flex Seal. That's funny. And their weakness is the balloon or something. Come to think of it, that's not a bad idea. The way you can kill partygoers is by popping their balloon. Because that'd work perfectly with how they with how many there are. Because, like, the horror of the partygoers doesn't lie primarily in how fast they are, how agile they are, how well they're able to capture you on their own, whatever. Most of the horror of the partygoers comes from the fact of just how many there are. Literally just, there's hundreds of them, and you literally, they move slow on their own. but because there's so many of them, you genuinely don't have a chance of escaping if they notice you. So I think naturally that their weaknesses would also come to how they can be killed, i.e. their balloons. You pop their balloons, they just straight up, like... Imagine they just deflate like a balloon, and they just deflate like one of those like a giant arm flaily inflatable tube man. Imagine they just deflate like that. Look up level 1.5 on the fandom. Okay. Backrooms.fandom.com. Okay. Search? Explore? No. Featured articles. And list of Entity 1 proposals. Interesting. This doesn't help the Backrooms criticisms on it just copying the SCP Foundation. Level Entity 1 proposals? Are you serious? It's literally just SCP-001 proposals. Are you kidding me? What the Why? Just come up with something original for once. Backrooms fandom. Entities. Entity list. Or like, no, levels. I want it, library levels. Sublevels. Where's sublevels? Levels. Confirmed levels, sublevels. Level 1 point... Okay. Backrooms level 1.5. There we go. The only accurate fandom page I know is the Friday Night Funkin' fandom page. Of course, because the Friday Night Funkin' fandom is insanely dedicated. Level 1.5 is a mysterious sublevel that seems to be inverted. Is a mysterious level that appears to be in between the others, thought to be a sub-layer of some sort. The level is not difficult to access, but has been proven difficult to exit. Only one individual has described the level in depth. From Reddit... Chaos Rider 98 from Reddit, who mistakenly entered the level during the exploration and has been unable to return to normal levels since. Little is known about level 1.5 or its denizens, but what is known is that the level appears to be malformed, in a sense, broken. The level is described as backwards, with fluorescent darkness pouring from the ceiling, while regular darkness instead replaced with light, as observed in Figure 1. The image also appears to be upside down, but does not appear to have been taken like this intentionally. The audio in this level is unusual for the Backrooms, as the usual humming is absent, and the level is almost completely silent except for whispering. Appears to originate from the level's denizens, but can only be heard once within a certain distance. Because... Did I forget to loop this? No, I didn't. Good. However, when reading in the same manner, appears to be garbled. Okay, so basically this level is entirely like, That's actually interesting. That sounds pretty interesting to make, actually. Where like a level that is intentionally bugged or something. Look at the fandom's version. It's entirely different. What? Of course it's entire... Decidophobia. Level 1.5 is a series of corridors with different staircases connecting them, reaching a total of 10 corridors. Each corridor is approximately 10 meters long, with an average of 5 doors at each level. This level appears to be constructed in cement. Upon entering level 1.5, you will appear at the 10th floor. Your goal is to reach the first floor or a reasonable exit without making any mistakes. The only way being via doors. When opening a door, there's a different chance for each floor, all seemingly randomized for every subject that comes through this level. Chance 1, 3 doors. The room will be empty, and upon entering it, the door will shut behind the first person that entered, either sending them to level 6 or the void if extremely unlucky. 3 doors. The door will open up to a staircase leading down into floor 9. The door will open up in an empty room, and an entity will come out of it. The entity can be... Shut up, Avast. The entity can either be a partygoer or a hound. Good night, that is dangerous. The door is fake and won't open up. This is an interesting, like, little mini-game concept. That's actually... Huh. That's interesting. Well, thank you for giving me a for giving me an idea for giving me something to implement as a sub-level. Tips on how to make a good game. Number 1, make it in Necoland game engine. Number 2, make sure to do everything at the start and always start big and go smaller. Number 3, do as much game crunch as possible. No, entities. Look at entities. All entities reported in this level are common entities aside from the Party Master? The Party Master? What the frick is the Party Master? So I recently went to level... Well, what? The frick? Floor 1. This is the final floor. This floor has nothing in it but a bright, glitched, black and white version of level 1. This floor will contain one partygoer, but unlike the others, this one calls itself the Party Master. Okay. This partygoer will not infect anyone like usual. Instead, they'll try to kill off the subject. The only way to escape after entering this floor is by fighting the Party Master. The Party Master's physical abilities, such as strength, speed, and reflexes, highly depend on the persons they're facing. Adapting to match the opponent's power, creating a fair fight. This Party Master is very durable, though, and can resist up to several bullets, according to how armed the person they're fighting is. Upon defeating the Party Master, a door will appear at the end of the room. Going through it will send one to the front rooms. Interesting. Huh. So the Party Master is one of the many final bosses of the Backrooms. That's crazy. Very few people have actually exited the Backrooms from this level due to how extremely dangerous the level gets the lower it goes. Attempting to open a door and then opening another one will result in the previous door being closed and regenerated. Author's notice. You also have to consider that despite the adaptation of a fight, the Party Master maintains the properties of a partygoer to begin with, giving it a slight advantage in the general battle, giving disadvantage to unexperienced fighters. And so you stop asking. The level is a replacement to the old one because of copyright, but it kept some things like the black and white and the hallway thingos. Okay. That's weird, but okay. So... So this is like a Dark Souls boss, so it's like Getting Over It, where the lower you go, or well, I mean, in Getting Over It you go up, but the lower you go in the level, each floor just gets more and more dangerous. So it's very unlikely you'd get out alive in the first place. But if you do get out alive, you have to fight a Dark Souls boss. That's hilarious, actually. A partygoer's Dark Souls boss. Where's that mod? Where's that Dark Souls mod? I want to see that. Where's that Skyrim mod? I want to see that. I want to see that. What? What? I don't remember adding... I don't remember you... I don't remember adding this. What the frick? What? I don't remember... I don't have that variable behavior tree asset. I don't have that. What? This makes no sense. This makes no sense. Okay. I'm gonna remove that, and I'm going to... Rinse, read, write. So... BT asset. Oh, it's BT at... BT asset. What is the world's most pay-to-win game? Raid Shadow Legends or RuneScape? Ha! Yep, that makes sense. That makes sense. Referencing assets. Thank you, please! Use sound cue. Oh. So, behavior tree. Behavior tree. Faceling behavior tree. Run behavior tree. Faceling behavior tree. Bam 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 bam. So when you get the time, look at level negative one in the fandom. This can be used as like the start of the game, like a hub world. Huh. What is being stolen from hundreds of young developers' money? Roblox? Bobuck. What a string of messages. Yep, must be my chat. Bobuck. Syntax error identifier edited. What? Property. I meant you property, not property. You property. Bang, 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 bang. Yep, that must be your chat. Yep. Just coming up with new meme words. Bobook. What? Yo, bro. What do you need? Bobook. I don't know why that makes me laugh, but it's just it's just so stupid sounding. So is Bobuck is an old meme. I've never heard it before. I've heard of Bobucks, but I've never heard of Bobuck. I've genuinely never heard of Bobuck. Beep. This is making no sense! There we go. Compile. Save. There we go! Hooray! Hurrah! Finally did it! Jeez. Yo, you guys, you got Fall Guys? No, but we do have Stumble Guys. Well, yes, I know Bobuck is the singular form of Bobucks, but it's just... I've never heard of it before, so that just hit me like a truck. Bobuck. How should I format this? Because how should I format this? Because because I want to format this in a way that like makes sense and is helpful, but like I had an idea that it would be like randomly it'll decide the Faceling will decide to either help you find items or it'll point you in the it'll walk in the direction of the exit of the level. And what, but I don't know how to but I don't know if that's something that I should do, because it just sounds, because it just doesn't sound like, it just doesn't sound fun. Like, random in that sense just doesn't sound fun. So maybe I should only have it point you in the direction of or not. I think it should only walk in the direction of the exit. So get blackboard. I can spell, I swear. Set value as vector. Or actually, I should select. Nope. Select. Get level name. Get current level name. That's what I want. Switch. Or that. No, that's not what I want. Switch on string. I guess I'm just gonna have to do a switch on string. This would be level 0. Level 0. Level 2. Level 3. Or actually, I should look at the actual like entry for the Faceling. Other Faceling types, or actually like adult Facelings are friendly and do not act. Blah, blah, blah. I don't think. They appear as male, female, and it can also appear completely androgynous. So it's kind of just like where do they appear though? There are multiple types, each with varying levels of hostility. The faceless people that roam the backrooms. Just in general, I guess. Habitats. Majority, most commonly levels 1, level 2, and level 3. Interesting. I will never understand blackboards either. They're pretty easy once to once you figure it out, yeah. Levels 1, 2, and 3. So most common. I'm gonna change that to levels 0, 2, and 3 because level 1 is supposed to be a hub world, so to speak. I mean, it is literally called the hub. Promote to variable. Exit location. So for this, I'm gonna set it to get all actors of class. Corrupted object. Or actually, I'm just gonna get the first thing. Get actor. Or actually, I'm gonna do get random point in navigable radius. The radius being 200. The origin being yep, just like that. Just like that. For level 2. I don't think we really need to do level 2 because it's literally just a long hallway. So, level 3. Level 3 will have to be just any one of the elevators. Get actor, get all actors of class. Level 3 elevator, right there. Random. I'm basically just gonna copy and paste this code right here, except I need to move this down. Think. Oh right, I have to actually give it a name. Make literal name. Gonna make this exit lock. Short for exit location. Exit lock. Or actually, yeah, set value as vector. There it is. So I'm gonna do a move to Gonna add a blackboard decorator. Why can't I enter the prototype? Well, it's because the collision is blocking your way. The default Unreal generated collision is blocking it, so you're gonna need to. So you're gonna have to friggin' what was I gonna say? You're right. You're gonna have to set the collision profile in the mesh settings to use complex collision as simple. That's what I wanted to say. I'm gonna have to do like a new task, blueprint base. Oh wait, move to random location right here. I coded this. I coded this. I specifically coded this so that I could. Wait, did I code this? I have no idea. Did I code this? Oh, I scripted it. Yep, I scripted it specifically for this reason. There we go. There is a exit. Control C, Control V. There isn't a exit. Is not set. Observer aborts self. Aborts self. Okay. Now, all of this has to only trigger if the player root level decorators are only valid and will be executed. This behavior tree is being used as a static. Player exists. Oh, and I bet Unreal Engine has that exact code, but named entirely differently. Well, you see, here's the thing. If it did have the code, it would... Here. Tasks. There's a bunch of different tasks here, but move direct... There's the only move to things that here is move to and move directly to. So it doesn't have that. Unfortunately. Okay, so so I'm gonna do a thing here where basically I'm gonna do a branch where this thing is gonna check if first get master player is valid. Is valid. Gonna check if that's valid. If it is, it's gonna check if the distance to... Nope, that's not it. Frickin' it's doing the thing again! Gotta close it. Reopen it. Owen should play more games with his viewers. I really hate that bug. Yeah, everybody hates that bug. Nobody likes that bug. Distance. Distance, right there. So it's gonna get the, so it's gonna get the... Nope. Get actor location is gonna get the actor location it's gonna get the distance between the master player and aka the player that it's helping and itself to see if it's far away from it. Because let's be real, we don't want it to just be wandering off to the exit of the level and just completely screw you up and just mess you up and just say like, hey, screw you, goodbye, hello, bye-bye. Just gonna go off and do my own thing. Gonna go off to the exit on my own. Someone on Steam just messaged me. Is greater than or equal to... Let's do 500. No, 4. 500. 500. Yep, 500. Seems reasonable. Set movement. Actually, I have a much better way of doing this. You're on the wrong scene. Yes, I know. I am literally just... Hold on. Someone on Steam just messaged me. I'm just giving me a second. I should probably appear, like, offline or something so I don't get... My friggin' friends just keep messaging me on Steam! Hold on, let me appear as offline. Where? Frick, dang it, nope, I've never done this before. Notifications. Flash window when I receive a chat message. Never. They keep sending me they keep sending me chat messages. Nobody wants to see that. This is a stream. Freaking idiots. You should do more TF2 streams. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with that. I've completely turned off notifications because they're literally just... They're just messing with me at this point. They're just going lol, lamau, because they know for a fact I'm streaming. Thank you, Eli. Very cool. True. None walking. Right there. So, if I did this right, what they... Let me test this in level 0. What dog doing? Thank you, Pull Down. Very cool. Welcome to the stream. Chat, who thinks Owen is Pog? Eli! You're in my chat. You don't have to send me a Steam message for that. Okay, just for that, I'm closing out Steam entirely. Thank you, Mario. Very cool. Are y'all just rating my stream now? Are you just... Is this a thing that you're doing? Pretty much. Yeah, that's what I figured. Hello, Mario. How are you doing? Just uninstall Steam. All right. Let's see. Let's just go ahead and see how the Faceling works in the current state. So, eject. Firstly, just gonna Alt 3. There we go. Bruh. How is he going to play Hello Neighbor when his Steam is uninstalled? I don't play Hello Neighbor much. I heard it was bullying Owen time. But Richard, bully me all you want. You're giving me watch minutes. So either way, I win. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Down. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. 623A. Half circle back heavy slash. The UI is a little big. Yeah, I've noticed that. Cause I thought it was gonna be too small, if anything, at first, but then I realized, like, actually compiling the game and running it on my computer, I realized it's a pretty big UI. I'll post link in Discord so he doesn't get the watch time. What? What do you mean? Also, can you please spawn the adult Faceling for the love of all things holy? Please, just spawn a Faceling. I want to see if my system actually works. Watching in embeds doesn't count time. Okay, Eli, that's okay. You know what? If you do that, your mod privileges get revoked. You do that, I am banning you and removing mod privileges. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Furry. The sounds of the Aranea memory just played. Big streamer man got angy. Correcto mundo. No talk me angy. What? Okay. Where did all of the end rooms go? I thought they were spawning perfectly fine before. Why did they just all decide not to spawn? Is that just a thing that's happening? Never mind. Also, there's a table right there. These things haven't spawned very often at all. I mean, they're supposed to, but they just haven't. They're supposed to spawn fairly often, but they just don't for some reason. Opinion on Unity. I don't have one. I've never used it. I don't use it, so I don't have an opinion. Oh look, 2 tables spawned over there. Why are there so many unlikely things happening right now? At this point, all of these unlikely things are happening, but the one thing that is supposed to be likely is spawning a Faceling. Gosh. You know what? I am just going to remove all of these except for the Faceling. Any opinions on your cap? It's great. I like it. It's a great cap. And anyone who thinks differently is objectively incorrect. Good lord, what? Is there... Is the reason why... I thought Smilers weren't supposed to spawn here. Enemy spawn rooms. Oh, wait. Smilers. What? I thought Smilers weren't supposed to spawn in this level. I could have sworn I made it so that no entities would spawn. Or like no entity other than like the Faceling. Let's see. Where is the health bar? There is no health bar. You don't need one. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Cha-cha. Where the frick? Okay. You know what? You know, at this point, I'm just going to frick. Wait, get all actors of class. I'm going to remove that room. Random array item. Spawn actor from class. Faceling. Adult Faceling. Right there. Boom. Get player spawn. Get world transform. Bank. Always spawn, ignore collisions. All that good stuff. Do that. So now a Faceling is guaranteed to spawn here. Or bacteria. Hound. Skin stealer. Okay, add those things back. So, where the freak is that? So, there should be a Faceling spawning right there. So, that's literally just over there, and he doesn't have physics? Question mark. Bruh. What is happening? He just doesn't have physics? Oh. Oh. Wait. No. No, that's not... What? That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. What the... Why is there no physics? That doesn't make any sense. Character movement. You know what? You know what? Screw this. Screw this. I'm just gonna make it back to where this was, go back into the test level. Do you like Among Us? Correct. So that was just it going to 0, 0. And its default walk speed is is basically its running speed, so that's no good. Oh. Player doesn't exist. I'm just gonna remove that, so there it goes to 0, 0, and it only starts, and it is so. What? Oh. I'm an idiot. I wasn't setting the frickin' player variable. Set value as object. You banned my brethren, and now you shall suffer the ultimate price, being cancelled on Twitter. No! Oh no, Twitter! What? Oh! Isn't it because... Isn't the reason why this doesn't work is because, wait, no. No, it should work. This should be working. This does not make any sense. Why is it not being set? Is it even being set? Oh, whoops. There. It's not being... It's never being... What? What? Hold on. Let me do a thing. Let me do a quick equals thing. Get player character. What? It's still not working. It's still not. It's like this master player. It's like this master player variable is just constantly, like, it's like it's constantly invalid, which doesn't make any sense. Where is it? Modules? No. Where's the construction script? Window, view. Where's the construction script? I need the construction script. Developer tools, finding blueprints. No. Collision. Why? Why can't I see the construction script? What the? My blueprint. Event graph. Oh. I'm an idiot. The reason why it's not valid is because I'm not setting the actual variable name. Ugh! Invalid URL. What the frick? What does that mean? Invalid URL. Invalid URL. What does that mean? Okay, well at least it's working. I think it's crashing because it's not actually matching any of these. Yeah. Let me try making test map. Yep. Yep, it's being, yep, that's it. Okay. It works. It works, it works, it works. Hooray! So... Okay. It works. So now basically, all I really have to do... Actually, I don't think I have to do anything. I think it all works but on its own. Yeah, because if all of this is working, and this is working as well, then everything else should work. Yeah, let's just go with that. Alright, well, this was a lovely stream. I'm sorry that I kind of have to... I'm kind of in a hurry, so I don't really have a whole lot of time to do an outro, so thank you to all my patrons thank you to my few patrons for supporting me. Thank you to my subscribers for subscribing, and if you're not subscribed, please do. It really helps me a lot, and I appreciate it. Outro. Yes. Outro. This is the outro. Outro finished. Good night, everybody.